So this is me trying to find good lighting in my house, and Sophia's watching a cartoon, and I don't need any copyright issues in the background. So,
hello world.
hey guys, welcome back from my hiatus. I have been working on Sarai's room, but right now I took a break and gave you guys some girl chat. And if you guys watched Sarai's birthday video, you see that I mentioned that I was gonna revamp a jacket that was gifted to her from, it was like a hand-me-down jacket from the 90s and or maybe early 2000s, I don't know. It was a gift. It was a Gap jean jacket. So I went ahead and I revamped it. So that's what this video is about, and I 100% winged it completely. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and the next video after this will be Sarai's bookshelf. We'll go back to revamping her room. All right, hi. Hey guys, so I look crazy right now. I know I do, but I'm frustrated with this jacket. Like, the iron is warming up right now, and I'm just kind of like setting up. So there was spots in the jacket that was blue, that was still like that hasn't turned yet. So I let it sit a little longer, and when I let it sit, the rest of the jacket turned too. So I'm kind of upset because the rest of the jacket was like the perfect shade of blue that I wanted, and now it's like a greenish, creamish, whitish, I don't know what you call this thing. Like, it's just not the blue that I wanted. Do you see this? Excuse my messy desk. So yeah, I gotta work with what I got. This is like a yellowish up here. I mean, I guess once I put all the stuff on it, it really won't look that bad. But this section here is the reason why the whole jacket sat in the water longer. And I knew there was a possibility that because it sits in it longer that I might not get the blue that I want. But I didn't think it was going to turn into this like ugly greenish, yellowish color. So, I don't know, guys. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and start putting my embellishments on and worry about the color. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so what I showed you I have before are all the embellishments that I'm going to put on it. And what I have here is, you know, the toe scraper. So the bottom of your feet can be like, it takes off like the dry skin on your feet. I don't know if you know what this is, but it's clean. But what I'm going to do is kind of distress the jacket a little bit. It has a lot of friction on it. So when I rub it up against the jacket, it'll rip the jacket up a little bit. So let me show you how it works a little bit. So you see, kind of ripping up a little bit. I'm like sitting it on the edge of the table so I can get some leverage. It's nice and straight. So there's a hole there. I don't know where holes go on jackets. I'm really just winging it, guys. Like, seriously. I'm winging this thing. Oh yeah, there we go. You see that? Love it. Love it. Like, perfect. I think I'm gonna make it like distressed around the whole bottom. I think that is so cute. And I think it's even okay that like the old color is like peeking through. Like, it just makes it look a little bit more distressed, I guess. Guys, understand me when I tell you I am winging this, okay? This has not been planned in any way. This is on a whim. On a whim. Is that how they say it? On a whim? Alright, so I'm probably gonna do it a little bit more, but I want to move along. I want some more down here. And I kind of want to do this whole shoulder right here. It's right here on the side of her jacket. I'm going all the way in and I'm just pulling the thread. That's like literally all I'm doing. So you see this thread right there? That's what I'm pulling out. And because this is the part of the jean jacket that refuses to turn cup, I want to go ahead and just stress this part too. Because this is like a random blotch of blue. So I'm like pulling the strings out. There's some distressment here. Distressment. I don't know if that's the word. So I think that's cute. You have to put the embellishment on top of the fabric. And then you put another piece on top so the iron doesn't burn it. And then you hold down for 25 seconds, it said. I'm applying a lot of pressure to it. Each embellishment has different instructions. Ew. Okay, so for the Wonder Woman, I know that I want her wings here. Is it wings? I don't know if it's wings, but it looks like wings. And shouldn't wings go on your back? So we just gonna call Wonder Woman's logo wings. Okay? That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start the timer. Sorry, reset. Sorry. Okay. So I did that for 25 seconds. So now I have to turn it over. Let me put this down. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. Alright, so I know I want to put Dreamer here. But I don't know where. I might put it on her arm. What do you guys think about Dreamer being right underneath the star? On her arm. It'll be cute around the collar too, wouldn't it? It can go at the bottom right here. Let's go with the arm, guys. I hope you guys like the arm, because I think I'm going to go with the arm. Alright, let's try it. Let's do this. Yay! Dreamer, there's my Dreamer baby. Yes, yes. Love it. Love it. Her pens are going here. Here's her camera pen. I'm gonna put it right in the pocket here. So cute. Her emoji pen. Cute, right? I wasn't sure if I wanted to use the whole lip for pens. I feel like if she gets more, she'll have space to add more. Or if I wanted to spread it out. Okay, let's try that. Oh, this is like a sticker. Oh, it's adhesive patches. Okay, so I don't know if this is for clothing, but it looks like it's for clothing, so I hope so. This thing on a unibrow. Am I supposed to cut this? Hope it's okay that I just cut this and it didn't ruin the eyebrows. Put this here. I'm gonna iron the other side for 25 seconds. Let's see. Perfect. Alright, so I'm like obsessed. Alright, so Mommy. Yeah, Sophia. Yeah.
I don't do. Hey.
Hi.
Mommy.
Yes, baby. What do you want from me?
Oh,
What happened?
hi.
Hi. You playing?
Can I open them now?
Go ahead, you cheater. I already seen that you opened it. What do you think?
Love it.
Huh?
Love it.
Look at the back. It's the Wonder Woman symbol.
Uh-huh. Well, this one has headphones and that was the kissy face. This one has headphones and that was the kissy face. And that one's the nut.
And then your arm says Dreamer.
Does the other one say anything?
No, but there's a star on the other one. Right here.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, not hers. This one that's filming the camera. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm the coolest in the family. Like, oh, okay, I'm the coolest. Okay, let's get this over with.
That's how you're gonna act. They're gonna fire you on the spot and say she is way too sassy. She's fired.
You're fired.
Okay, bye.
Mommy, no. Okay, can you show some?
Hi, baby. Okay.
Bye. Please comment it on me. Please subscribe to our video. Please subscribe to our video. Please subscribe to our video. Please subscribe to our videos. Bye bye.